Imagine a hotel with an underwater bedroom, a penthouse overlooking the Alps, a butler who fulfills every wish, and a room that costs $150,000 per night. This hotel exists. And today, you'll see how it made it to the top of the world's most expensive hotels. Today, the top 5 most expensive hotels in the world. Not just hotels. These are entire palaces, private islands, and even submarines, where every room is a work of art. We start at number 5 and climb to the top, to the hotel where one night costs more than a house in the suburbs. Number 5. Raj Palace, the former palace of a Maharaja in Jaipur, India. This hotel isn't just a hotel. It's living history, built in 1727. One of the most expensive rooms, Shahi Mahal, a 4-story suite of nearly 1,500 square meters. It has a private entrance, elevator, wine cellar, and personal butler. The interiors are extravagant: antiques, oriental rugs, crystal chandeliers, gold, and marble. The hotel features several Indian and international restaurants, a spa, and an outdoor pool. Price per night in Shahi Mahal over $32,000. Number 4. The Plaza, the legendary hotel in New York at the corner of Fifth Avenue and Central Park. Opened in 1907, it became a symbol of luxury and elegance. The most expensive room, Royal Plaza Suite, a luxurious suite with 3 bedrooms, a library, and views of the park. Celebrities, politicians, and billionaires stay here. The hotel is decorated in a classic style with French architectural elements. There's a suite dedicated to writer F. Scott Fitzgerald in the style of the 1920s. The hotel features the famous Palm Court with its tea ceremony and the Plaza Food Hall by Chef Todd English. Price per night in Royal Plaza Suite around $40,000. This isn't just a hotel. It's a part of New York's history. Number 3. Conrad Maldives, a hotel on 2 scenic islands in the Indian Ocean. Guests are flown in by seaplane, and that's part of the experience. The most luxurious room, the Morocco, an underwater villa, the world's first residential complex beneath the sea. It features a bedroom and lounge with panoramic glass walls offering views of sharks, rays, and coral reefs. The hotel has 12 restaurants, including the undersea restaurant and underwater dining room at 5 meters deep. Overwater villas with private pools and direct ocean access. Price per night in the Morocco up to $50,000. This isn't just a hotel. It's life underwater. Number 2. Palms Casino Resort in Las Vegas, a legendary hotel known for its luxury and entertainment. The most expensive room, Empathy Suite Sky Villa, a 2-story penthouse designed by famous artist Damien Hirst. It features a private pool with views of the Strip, a spa area, massage room, and a lounge with a 13-seat bar. The hotel has world-class restaurants and the Cows nightclub with performances by global stars. Other luxurious suites include the Hardwood Suite with its own basketball court. Price per night in the Empathy Suite up to $100,000. And finally, number 1. Lover's Deep Luxury Submarine, the most unique and expensive hotel in the world. It's a luxury submarine docked off the coast of St. Lucia in the Caribbean Sea. Each room has panoramic portholes offering views of corals, fish, and sea turtles. Guests enjoy a personal chef preparing custom gourmet meals, a butler fulfilling every request, aromatherapy and curated music, a candlelit dinner on the ocean floor. Meals are made from the freshest ingredients, delivered directly to the sub. Price per night from $150,000. This isn't just a hotel. It's the most romantic and extreme journey on Earth. These hotels are not designed for ordinary holidays. They are on display for luxury, for an unforgettable experience. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and we went to shoot a new video.